Through organizational analysis, we examine the business strategy, the support for training among managers, peers, potential trainees, and other stakeholders, and training resources. The goal is to determine if training is necessary, and if so, what kind of training. We don't need to identify the specific tasks, the specific KSAOs, the training content just yet. We will collect more details later on in the needs assessment process that will help us design the actual learning event. Through organizational analysis, we are trying to determine if we should invest time and money into a training program. We are trying to figure out whether it will meet the organization's needs. This process also helps us determine whether we are going to buy the training program from an external consultant or a vendor, or whether we're going to develop it in-house using the resources we have available. Some companies end up doing both, managing some aspects of training and development in-house and outsourcing other activities.